Hi, my name is John Honea. I am the State Director here in the great Commonwealth of Virginia. Just wanted to spend a little time with you today to show you a couple of the products and services that Smart Start has to offer here in Virginia. First and foremost, a little bit about Smart Start. Smart Start's been around since 1993. We are currently based in Grapevine, Texas. We are present in 48 of the 50 states here in the United States, as well as 22 countries throughout the world. Smart Start does have a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week multilingual customer support that is there to answer any questions from our monitoring authorities or clients. So let's get to it. The first device I want to show you is the ignition interlock device. This is a 2030 model. We do have multiple other models out in the field. This is probably the most common one you'll see here in Virginia. Now, the ignition interlock device, just so you're aware, does have an electrochemical fuel cell built into it. That means that it is an alcohol-specific device. How this works is when a client gets into their vehicle, they'll have to administer a breath sample into the device for their vehicle to start. In Virginia, that breath alcohol concentration must be below a 0.02 for the vehicle to start. If it is not below a 0.02, at 0.02 or above, the vehicle will not start and the client would not be able to drive. In Virginia, we also have cameras that are added with the ignition interlock device to make sure that the client is the one who is administering the test. We've seen in the past where maybe they might have friends and family take tests for them. That's not really going to be possible here with the cameras. The monitoring authority would be able to see that. The second device that we have is the Smart Mobile. Now, this is a portable device that is a breath testing instrument similar to the ignition interlock, but this is not installed in your vehicle. This is completely portable, has a 120-hour battery life to it. The monitoring authority can assign 10 test windows to this device. So if the client were to work, let's say 8 to 5, and the monitoring authority says, well, I know that the client isn't going to be drinking while they're at work. Maybe they want to set up a test between 6 and 7, and then another one in between 7 and 8, and then another one between 5 and 6, for example. So when that test window opens, this unit will start beeping at the client, say, your monitoring authority needs a test. So at that point, the client will take a breath sample, will provide a breath sample into the unit. There's a camera built into this device right here, and it will take a picture of the client taking the test. That way, again, you know that it's the client who is taking the test. Once the client takes a test, there's a cellular connectivity built into the unit. So after the client takes the test, the unit will call that result into the monitoring authority. So the monitoring authority gets a real-time result from that client after they take the test. There is GPS built into this unit as well, in case the monitoring authority needs to know where that test was administered. And then finally, there's the newest device, which is the breath check unit. Now this again is a breath testing instrument similar to the other ones we just showed you. This one is app-based, so it works with the client's cell phone. So when the client needs to take a test, again, just like the Smart Mobile, monitoring authority can set test windows to this unit. So at the test window, the phone will alert the client through a text message saying, hey, it's time for you to take a test. Your monitoring authority needs you to take a breath sample. So at that point, the client will hold up the phone, take a sample. A video will be taken of that client administering the test. Once the client is done administering the test, that test will go through into our database where the monitoring authority can actually view the video of the client taking the test and the result. So there's a few of the products that we have to offer here in the state of Virginia. Again, my name is John Honea. I'm the state director here in the Commonwealth, and I'd be more than happy to answer any further questions you may have. You can reach me at jhonea@smartstartinc.com, or you can call my cell phone at 804-878-4108. Even though I'm based here in Midlothian, Virginia, I will handle any attorney or monitoring authority questions throughout the entire Commonwealth. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.